Okay, today we are going to learn about radian, the measure of angles. Just like degree, now we have another form of measurement. We call it radian. So just as important as money exchange, you need to know the conversion rate. Okay, 180 degree, the conversion rate will be pi radian. Okay, please take note of this. A lot of students think that 180 degree is 1 radian. Wrong. It is pi radian. There is no other short form for this. This is the conversion rate. Please memorize this. Let me put the star here. Okay, so the whole day, if you cannot remember a single thing, you must remember this. If 180 is pi radian, 360, how many radian? How do you get 2 pi? You times 2 here. You times 2 here. So you must try to memorize it is 2 pi radian because we are going to use it for question 3 later. Okay? Finally, how did I get 90? I divide by 2. So here I divide by 2. How many radian will I get? Pi over 2. Okay, if you really hate this pi, you can write it as 3.142 lah. Okay, so you press 2 times 3.142. 2 times 3.142 is 6 point something. So 6 point something is about 360 degrees. How do we convert pi over 8 radian to degrees? Okay, I'll show you how. Pi radian. Now, radian don't have to put unit one. Okay, radian don't have to put unit. If pi radian is how many degrees? Say out, you have to memorize this. It's 180 degrees. Pi over 8 radian is how many degrees? You divide by 8, right? You divide by 8. So that's the starting point. You always start with this. So you divide by 8. Can someone help me, please? 180 divided by 8 is 22.5 degrees. You must write the unit. Okay, again. So what is the conversion rate? Say out. I will start with the conversion rate. 180. Okay, what I'm trying to do is I'm going to convert this to radian. So 180 degree is how many radian? Pi. I need you to say out loud because you have to memorize this. 180 degree is pi radian. You don't have to write the word radian. You don't have to write. So 210 degrees. Do you remember how to do this type of proportion question? You take 210 and then you divide by 180. Very good. 210 divided by 180 and then you times pi. Now you can leave your answer in pi or you can leave your answer in decimals. It is all up to you. Okay, and the answer is 3 point something, right? But if you leave in terms of pi, that means you only press this part. Shall we practice that? You just press this part only. How many pi's do I have? Just press this part. 210 over 180. 7 over 6. 7 over 6, right? And the pi, you put it back. So I have 7 over 6 pi. 3.665. Okay, you can leave either in pi form or decimal. Now, lastly, again, I want to convert from radian to degree. What is the conversion rate? One more time. What is the conversion rate? Say out loud, please, class. The conversion rate is 180 is pi radian. Okay, I put the pi on the left so that I know the question is asking for radian. So 1.5. You know how to do this proportion? 1.5 divided by pi times 180. What is the angle? Yeah, so 85.9 is a very familiar angle. However, now we got to use 1.5 radian. Okay, recap. What is the formula for arc length? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Now the blue one is in degree. For the radian formula, there's another formula for radian. Good news, you just take this radian angle, multiply by the radius, finish. Okay, I'm not going to prove the formula, it's very easy to prove, but I don't want the lesson to be too long. Good news there, why good news? Because easier, just take these two numbers, multiply together, and got even better news. This formula is given during N level in the formula page. Okay, this formula is given in the formula page. Okay, now let's go back to the blue color one. Area of sector. Sector is the Pac-Man and the pizza. What is the formula? Theta over 360 times pi r squared. Now we use this when the angle is in degrees. But if the question is in radian, very good, the formula is given. Half r squared theta. Cannot get wrong one because the formula given. So the area is half r squared theta. Very good, huh? You just take half times the radius square times the radian angle. So if the question is in radian, use the red color part. If the question is in degree, use the blue color part. Now blue color part, you have to memorize. What is the area of triangle you learn in this chapter? Good news also is in the formula sheet. Half A, B, sine C. Now, when the question is in degrees, make sure it's in degree mode. When the question is in radian, make sure it's in radian mode. That's all. Formula-wise, don't have to worry, all given. So we are not worried about the formula, but we are worried about the degree and radian mode. Okay, so let's answer these last two questions. I want to find the area of AQB, which is the Pac-Man here, AQB. What is the formula? The area formula is, scan the whiteboard, what's the formula? Half r squared theta. Now, how do I know this angle is in radian? How do I know? Do you see that there's no degree sign? Don't have. So don't have degree sign, automatically is in radian. And the number quite weird, right? Very small. Okay. Do you see tangent, cosine, and sine down here? You never see, right? So your calculator, whatever mode you use is fine. Okay, you want to use radian mode also can, degree mode also can. Doesn't matter because there's no sine, cosine, tangent. So it's fine one. Okay, don't worry. So let's put in numbers. Half. What is the radius? Tan square. And what is the angle? It's not 2.8, right? Okay, I'm glad you all keep quiet. It's not 2.8. What is the angle? The angle is the same as the Pac-Man. It is actually this angle here. How do you find this angle? Yeah, I heard 360, right? You all like to use 360. Okay, yes, that is for degree, but now it's in radian. How do you think I can find this angle? 2 pi minus 2.8. Okay, I need you to memorize two things for today. Number one, 180 degree is pi radian. Highlight in your book somewhere. Second thing, 360 is 2 pi radian. That's all I need you to remember. Okay? The rest formula sheet all given. Okay, so the number here will be 2 pi minus 2.8. Can someone please press the calculator? The answer is, yes, correct. The answer is 174. That's the answer. Unit square, square unit. Okay, next. Arc length. Please, the formula is in radian. Don't use the degree formula, please, tolong. Okay, I saw a lot of students started out with this careless mistake. If the question is in radian, what's the formula for arc length? The formula is given, it is r theta. Very, very, very simple. Now, r is how much? What is the angle? The black one or the red one? I'm finding the length of AQB. I'm finding the length of AQB. What is the angle? You still use the 2 pi minus 2.8. So if I'm looking for the Pac-Man, I use this angle. If I'm looking for the pizza, I use this angle. 8. Yeah, that's all. Okay, last question. I purposely curate these 4 parts because I got the angle 360, I got the perimeter, and I got segments. So I should cover the whole chapter already. Okay, let's try this. To find the perimeter of ABO. Now in your diagram, it is shaded. So they never say is it minor or major, but they shaded it. So actually we are looking for the minor one in the question. How do I find the perimeter? I write down how many parts. How many parts are there to find the perimeter of this pizza here? There are 3 parts. So as a habit, I really always write this down. I need to use these 3 parts. So let's look for the third part. So the arc length. Why do I keep using S? You realize? If you are sharp, you realize I keep using S. Because the formula sheet gives you the letter S. Okay, it's in the formula sheet. S stands for arc length. It's in the formula sheet. So S stands for arc length. So S stands for arc length. I keep using S, you realize that? Formula. What is R? What is theta? That's all. Okay, and the answer is, this will come up for WA. Answer is 3.6. Okay, at least score these 2 marks. Okay, perimeter. Now look for the perimeter. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. And the answer is 15.6. And you are done. Okay, at least get 1 mark here. Okay, 1 mark. Okay, segment. Can we write down the formula, please? To find the segment, we take the sector minus the triangle to give me the ping pong bat like that, the part of the ping pong bat. Okay, so I take the sector minus the triangle. Can we try? What's the formula for sector? It's given in the formula sheet. Half r square theta. What is the formula for triangle? Half AB sine C. Everyone change your calculator to radian mode now because I see the sign. Can you notice this? I have a sign here. Everyone change to radian mode now. Otherwise, the whole question is no mark one. Change to radian mode now, everyone. Change to radian mode. I see the sine, cosine, tangent. I automatically have to change to radian mode. Okay. Okay, let's plug in numbers and we are done for today already. The rest is just go through homework. And we will do one of the worksheets together. Okay. Let's plug in numbers. Try lah. I'll give you a clue. Don't need to minus 361. Everything is there already. Just try to plug in. Okay, together. What R do you want to put? 6. What do you put next? Square. Theta? Yeah, I'm finding the pizza, right? So I use the pizza angle there, 0.6. And we are done for the sector. Now let's find the triangle. Half. How much is the value A? How much is the value B? All this formula given, even for half AB sine C given. What is the angle? Please make sure it's in radian mode. Okay, press calculator and I will give you the answer and I'll stop the video, but I will check whether you can get the answer. 0.636 3SF. Okay, and then that's it. Here, can you stop the video?